ya mpani fo nyina ene agropa youth ade aye ya kra no wo de say yempo na nya for you
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe hum bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section o by bia be hum bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
open what is me mama makwa swai sadam yasua me nsuo kra to buya so say me kan na maka di machi and every na koi yasua ka and every na koi me swai say me kase say e bia na ntabi kra me gaga no na enyame a me kra menya hute every na wo ba wo be dada me ene ya mpani fo nyina ene agropa youth ade aye ya kra no wo de say yempo na nya for you to follow be nya mputu hwe say omnya protocol wo be fa na ila protocol na ila oh secondary school offer say be ko chelsea abe hu ne ehun afu clinic here wa hai old bijima nina o shebo so be ye na baba efri frank asante wonu na omanu nimu no esan so ye koponi ba this year anything fact offer ye bu ofo papa na nkenu kasanke kasa sade chire ni ana so de ono akasa kofa ba ye nti ye bu ofo de ni I say we say kwa so okokora so kro bia man ekwen ko so nya efrema e market ye kwa ni so ka ho ni nyina achi no ye ntwe bosa hodo a o se e de ma ekropon man
ena bla frank ti kuo ege an e ma no me na me di e ma na no ye ekum aduane kora na ye gya ne enam ne ye campaign anu ko ge ekum ye gya ye nso ekuo ni nti ye nya agide di wo machi ti ye pe bibia ba ye kurom sisi ameka sa biti ameka sa sisi akofia nsu achi ayi moto kwent mi ma bia nsuo no ewo nsuo kwam anyina nsuo tank no ewo na si nsuo achi na si ekwan ne nye esaya moto kwent mi ma ho eti esra wo mo so mbese ese di wo machi biem e ma na ese di wo machi biem dia omamra na ye nsuo achi kwan ne ma ye
ena no ese na ni week na metika ma mi kokuma se the we are NPP fon kwa ne buka nu amo kasa ye kwan kakla ye yo ai obi abesi 24 years nti mo so mo ba mo hye ebo se Louis ai bu mi di mo be hye ebo se wo ba kwan so enya 1 year krampo omo mama ye hu bibi wo kwan so na metika im na mo gbo ala pa na msim ma ye din na mintimi nkasa ni nyina agina ye kwan ba ko pe so campaign insuo to ane enem ewi abo ane enem even ye beto abakra na mo takra de mtia nipa mienu
obi bia o affiliation with honorable Ken no obenya obema no kwan mana akọ but wo na ye di wachi no wo so me yan hu ya nim se ye ekọ ana ye ba ntine se dia ye di wachi no emfa so be na wo so.
Yeah, I get you.
What you say? So we leader. Now nim so wo nipa pempem di wachi a me nipa ne hunu obugina bre. Na se nipa ne betu ara mo no akọ nanim ana so be kọ na chi a no hu ne wo ye. What you say? Enti aye o how kase last time the America to no so ba ka ya 2023 ye na ye kwade honorable Kenachi ekoye support no ye campaign ye wie ye no me ameti hai enka se break no enka me regional communication member na say national but because of Kennedy no ye few aso ye tim aso ye campaign wie ye create atamfo ma ye ho be ye enemies to the party leadership no ye wie ye na akwa akwadwane campaign no wan consult ye wan ka hwe ye hu ya ne se wo ne flag bearer no enam na ye mu still no na fe
okay, I get your point.
Ye tim e wase ho ya ye hu ye nim ye na so tim besi na me there was a time I say Eid Fitr ye ko sala and go for threaten my wife because of say me kasama honorable Ken.
Oh,
what you say be no nyina akiri no e de enya firim ye hu ye nim wontimi emwa nkofo anu nkasa se ne ye ko se na me ko se na me ye dabi that you want Jenny power manipa adi wachi ma fe ye bi aye basa timi de make on record na say me de nyame anim no kura nim ma support honorable Ken for all these years but ene free na ekro me support honorable Ken bi because this kind of leadership no me who be that as I said, when I would direct it, followers. And the Parudu are talking about even recently, delegate are talking about almost 20 to over 23,000. The staff were when you know what you're more at is animal. Yeah, yeah.
Obeti atechem. Was rose obeko ti bi aman for wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money and na ye di tua uka. Ghana for one my yensensi form papa. One my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto Amasaman because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. Ema wu jade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. Ema ye vote ma wo ma obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se who betwa 12 good years. Who to me nyeshe. Who promises and kukwan ketenkete omo adwane and confirm a wodi buy omo ko Burkina. Koko fu a who promise you omo se obetu ebula ama koko farmers bia who buy wa beti koko no so ewum. Won san so ntuaka we free omo koko wodi omo ka. Who buy who see agenda 111 ye hu hwe afina who see market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wom ye nti ase who be sorry e na we see market in the bathroom we he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri oso nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di wechi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na wonu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na akire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nyehwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonso na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo
It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuye because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say NPP for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you radio ndama ni ma say all members come to do one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon the money mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now they're kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Fiums, hey, Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1. Which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.